Connect corresponding cable and water tube to corresponding port. First step, connect to 24 volts power supply and tighten. Second step, connect to 220 volts power supply and tighten. Then, plug the plug into the socket. Press this button after turn on the switch of water box. Turn on the key switch and the light comes on. This step is to open the laser cutting machine's software. Then, connect the laser cutting machine. After connecting, these buttons are turned on respectively. Now, the laser device is turned on. That is OK. This step is to install the beam expander. Then tighten the diagonal screw. Next, make sure that the light out of the light out hole is in the center. That is OK. After adjusting the beam expander, adjust the reflect mirror. This reflect mirror, adjust the position of the near end. Here, fix a point. Then, the reflect mirror is adjusted to the far end and then moved it to the far end.